Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how to create an aesthetic blur background for your picture with the Picsart. So open the Picsart right away, and then we just need to wait until this Picsart is perfectly loaded and open, and the next thing we need to do is just go click this plus button and pick the picture that we want to edit the backgrounds from. And here let me try to find the picture that I would like to edit here. So let's say I would like to edit this picture. Okay, so here if you want to have a blurry aesthetic background, you just need to go click this effects, and then you just need to go click this blur sections, and there will be like a lot of blurry sections that you can get here. You can get this facial zoom or radial blur, so I would like to suggest you to use this radial blur so that you can like focusing on your face only right here, so the rest of this area will be blurry. So if you want to like adjusting the size here, you just need to like go click this effects again, and you just need to adjusting the blur. If you want to make it super blurry, just drag it into the right side and you will see you'll got them. And here you can also adjusting this area too, so you just need to like focusing which part that you want to keep to be clear here, and you're done. So whenever you're done, you just need to go click this apply, and you already got this type of editing. So this is the comparison between before and after. This is before we edited, and here's after we added. So basically that is the way how to get an aesthetic background, blurry background for your picture with a Picsart. Hopefully this tutorial is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.